Dear students, we are in the fourth session of coordinate geometry. In this session, we will find out as to how the problems are to be solved and what are the properties of plane figures that you need to know when problems are given to you. If they give you three vertices and if they ask you to show that these three vertices form an isosceles triangle, then have a rough figure, name the figure, and it is enough that if you prove that any two sides of the triangle are equal. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the three vertices form an isosceles triangle. And we use the distance formula. Locate 3 points. It's a rough figure. Find out AB, find out BC, and find out AC. If any two sides are equal, then the three vertices form an isosceles triangle. Here in this example, if AB is equal to AC, then triangle ABC will be an isosceles triangle, and we use the distance formula to find out AB, BC and AC. If they ask you to prove that the given three vertices form a right-angled triangle, then use the distance formula, find out AB, find out BC, find out AC. If the square on one side is equal to the sum of the squares on the other two sides, then the three vertices form a right-angled triangle. Mean to say, if the Pythagoras theorem is proved, then the three vertices form a right-angled triangle. In this example, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. If that is proved, then A, B and C form the vertices of a right-angled triangle. If they give you four vertices and ask you to check whether the four vertices form a square, then as usual draw a rough figure and name the figure as ABCD. It is enough that if you prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. If you prove that the four sides are equal, and if you prove the diagonals AC and the diagonal BD are equal by using the distance formula, then the four vertices form the vertices of a square. If they give you the four vertices and they ask you to prove that they form the vertices of a rhombus, then as usual a rough figure, find out the four sides AB, BC, CD and DA. All the four sides should be equal. If the four sides are equal and if the diagonals are unequal, the diagonal AC and the diagonal BD are not equal to each other, then the four vertices given, they form the vertices of a rhombus. In all these four cases, isosceles triangle, right-angled triangle, square and a rhombus, what formula are you using to find the sides? You will be using the distance formula. If they give you the four vertices and ask you to prove that the four vertices form the vertices of a parallelogram, then you should prove that the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. The opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are unequal. Diagonal AC is not equal to diagonal BD. If you prove that, then the four vertices given are the vertices of a parallelogram. If they ask you, giving four vertices, show that the vertices form a rectangle, you will have to prove that the opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD, and you should prove that the diagonals are equal. Diagonal AC will be equal to diagonal BD. If you prove that, then the four vertices given, they form the vertices of a rectangle. So in case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5 and case 6, when they give you an isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram and rectangle, while proving you will be using the distance formula. If they give you a quadrilateral and if they ask you to find out the area of the quadrilateral, draw a rough figure and join any one of the diagonals or the opposite vertices. If you join, you'll get a diagonal. Here I have joined B and D. You can also join A and C. So when you draw a diagonal, the quadrilateral will be divided into two triangles, the first triangle and the second triangle. You know the formula to find the area of the triangle when the three vertices are given. Use that formula, find the area of the first triangle and find the area of the second triangle. Add the two areas, you will get the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. If they give you three vertices and ask you to prove that the three vertices form an equilateral triangle, then find out AB, find out BC and find out AC. If the three sides are equal, then the given vertices form the vertices of an equilateral triangle, and to find the three sides you use the distance formula. If they give you three vertices and ask you to prove that these three vertices or these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same straight line segment. If such a problem is given, then here I have drawn a line and on the line I have the 3 points A, B and C. To prove that they are collinear, method number 1, by using the distance formula, I will prove that AC is equal to AB plus BC. If that is true, then A, B and C are collinear. Or by using the second method, using the formula for the area of the triangle, if I find the area of triangle ABC and if the area is equal to 0, then the three vertices A, B and C are collinear.